Have you ever thought that you could make up to $500 per day or more than that? Do you know you can make this amount or even more than that simply by typing names online? Well, you don't have to be surprised about that because that's actually what people are doing online to make huge amounts of money, and you are not excluded. In this video, I'm going to show you the direct steps to making that amount every single day. The best part about this online money-making opportunity is that anyone can do it, even if you've not earned a dime online before. Just imagine you go online and type a word or a name, for example, Alex, and you started making money. And when you type another name, let's say Johnson, and you get paid once again. This kind of online money-making opportunity is rare. But if you can implement what I'm going to teach you in this video, you are going to make more money, even more than $500 per day. When you type a single page, you are going to earn $20. When you type up to 5 pages, you will earn $100. And when you type 30 pages a day, you are going to earn $600. Wow, can you imagine that? Isn't this better than working under the hot sun every day without getting appreciated for work done? Think about this, and the best thing is, you are not limited to a specified amount. You can type as much as you want and earn whatever you desire. You can get started by using your mobile phone or your PC. This real and tested online money-making opportunity is free and available in most countries worldwide. So you need to take your time to watch this video till the last minute, so you can grab all the information shared in the video, especially the sign-up process, because this process could be a bit tricky and confusing to people. But before we proceed, welcome to my YouTube channel, your #1 source for quality online money-making videos. If you want to be updated of the newest online money-making opportunities, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any new videos that I'm going to be uploading as time goes on. Don't forget to also give this video a big thumbs up. Share this video with your loved ones and friends, and if you have any questions or comments about this video, feel free to express yourself below the video. Now let's continue from where we stopped. By using the calculator on this website, we know how much money you can make from this unique opportunity, and check out their rate per word. This rate per word means the amount of money they will pay you when you type a word. This website offers 5 cents in US dollars, and one page will have close to 300 words. So you can do the math and see how much you can make when you're done typing a page. For instance, here is a typing name project, which is page #1. We also have pages 2 and pages 3. You can make money by typing names on each of these pages without hassles. Let me show you the page that can pay you $20 when you type 300 words. This is the page. Now, as you can see here, when I surf through this page, you can see 300 names in total. This simply means that when you type a total of 300 words per page, you are going to earn $20. The first website I'm going to introduce to you is talentdesire.com, a unique website that allows you to earn money online from the comfort of your home without investing money. And you won't even have to pay for signing up. When you scroll down below, you will find out that they offer different opportunities to work from home, including online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging, language translation, and online paid surveys. They have many jobs that anyone can do online, but our focus in this video is online typing jobs, because it's very easy to do, and you don't need any experience to get started at all. According to this website, you can earn up to $30,000 per year just by typing online. So this is a very good earning opportunity for you, and that's why you can't afford to miss out on this opportunity. One thing I love about this website is its free registration. The registration is free. No hidden charges before joining or after joining. Everything is transparent and no form of investment. It's free and available for everybody worldwide. When you surf through the website again, you can see the amounts paid for different levels. The amount paid to a beginner is different from the amount paid to the experts. Please pay attention to this section, because this is where I'm going to show you how you can start earning a higher rate. Even if you're a complete newbie in this online opportunity, you can get paid as an expert. So stay tuned and watch closely. If you're getting value by watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do me a favor by subscribing to this channel. Now I'm going to show you the secret tip that can skyrocket your earnings. What I want you to do now is visit ratatype.com. This website has a section where you can take a free typing test to test your capability. You can start by clicking on the yellow button right here and go over to this page for the real typing test using your smartphone or PC. I highly recommend you to do this typing test because this website awards a certificate for you after completing the test. This certificate that you're going to get from this website is free, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure to get it right. This typing certificate is needed to increase your income and your earning rate per page. If you want to make at least $20 for every single page you type, try as much as possible to get this certificate, because this is the secret tip to earn more money, and also to prove to them that you are capable. Not only that, you'll be accepted quickly and you can get higher paying typing and unlimited job opportunities. When you have this certificate, you'll be able to earn close to $600 per day by simply typing names. When you commence typing on this secret website, your word count per minute and your accuracy will be calculated. It's expected of you to have nothing less than 98% accuracy. The higher your accuracy, the more money you'll make. In addition, your typing speed and accuracy will be shown after taking the typing test and obtaining the certificate on this unique website. Here's how you can get your certificate for free within minutes. When I finish typing here, my typing speed will be displayed right here. This is my real result. And if your speed is slower or if your accuracy is less than 98%, you don't have to worry. You can use a website called ratatype.com and you can take the typing test again for 100% free until you arrive at a higher speed or a higher accuracy. Now, once you've gotten a satisfactory result, you can scroll down below and you register for a free account on Ratatype by clicking on this link, Improve Typing Speed, right here. Simply go ahead and register for a free account by filling in your name, email address, and your password. So go ahead and take on I agree with the terms and conditions and click on the yellow sign up button. When I'm done with signing up for the free account, I will sign into my Ratatype account. As you can see here, this is my name on my dashboard and these are my results, my typing speed and my accuracy. When you scroll down a bit, you can see my certificate around here. And I will check this page which says, awarded to Rachel for typing in English, along with the signature from ratatype.com to show that this certificate is genuine. With this certificate, you can get paid in higher amounts because it shows that you are a professional. Don't pause or stop this video because I'm going to show you how to sign up and how to register and apply for a typing job on talentdesire.com. And you can start getting high-paying typing projects as soon as possible. Now, when you scroll down a bit, you can click on this print button right here. This is not complicated. You can do this on your PC or smartphone. Go ahead and save the image of your certificate or save it as a PDF file. Click on Save, and when you look at this site, you can see the certificate that I got from the Ratatype website without paying anything. Once you are awarded with the certificate, you can start applying for jobs. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to come back to talentdesire.com, scroll down a bit, and locate this red button right here with Apply Now, which you need to click, and then you'll visit this page to start applying for your job. Your attention is highly needed here, and make sure you watch this video until the end, because the sign-up page cannot be easily found on this website. You might not find it, and if you don't concentrate on this part, you are going to miss out on important details. Now, once you've found this page, just scroll down a bit where you'll see Select an application. Click on this red link right here, and after you're done with that, just visit this page where you can see an online application form for work-at-home jobs. You also need to scroll down below and look for this red link that says Fill in your details to apply and work with us. If you cannot locate the registration page, you can watch the video from the beginning, or you can bookmark or save this video to your playlist and watch this video again when you have time. When you scroll down a bit, there is a place where you're going to supply your personal information. The first step to do here is to click on Accept the privacy policy, and then fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, your contact numbers, and your country of residence. Then proceed to select from the list of countries available. This website accepts people from all over the world, including countries like India, the Philippines, Nigeria, the United States, United Kingdom, Pakistan, etc. What I need you to do for me now is to comment down below your country so I can know where you are residing, so that I would be able to create additional videos for your region. The next step is all about filling in your personal information. This step is very important, and you need to be very careful to get it right. Now go to the job title section and choose your best time. After this step, you can choose your preferred time. But I recommend choosing all day because of the job opportunities it will give you, meaning you'll be able to earn more money. After this step, you can choose your payment method. There is an option for PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit. I love using PayPal, so I always choose PayPal. After selecting your payment option, choose your current professional status. I usually choose self-employed. And once you fill out the necessary information, you can then proceed and click Yes, I have read and accepted the above statement. Remember to put your signature, your full name, and click on I'm not a robot, and click on Submit button. It's that easy. After acceptance by the website, you can start getting typing projects and you can start earning $20 per page. You can repeat the process for the second and third page as well. Another important thing is ensuring you submit your work on time to keep receiving more and more daily jobs. I hope you've learned something unique in this video. Before we end the video, make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel and click on the notification bell, hit the like button, and wait for my upcoming videos.